Hey guys, how you doing? This is John from JDUB Life. Appreciate you checking out this video. I'm just gonna do a real quick transformation of this little guy right here. I'm not gonna show you every detail because it's pretty dang simple. Let's get started. All right, just a quick little inventory list. Pretty easy stuff, really. You need a sander. I've got an orbital DeWalt, but you can use whatever. I've got an assortment of sandpapers from 40 grit to really remove some of the hard stuff up to 320, and I can skip depending on how that wood ends up turning out. And don't forget safety goggles, dust mask if you got one. All right, so this is after, well, I've been at it about an hour. For those of you who've watched other videos, I typically just kind of clean up the back and then just pick a side that I like. Certainly like this one. It's very, very smooth. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it. And you know, I progressed from 40 to 120 on the sandpaper and then finished off really at a 320. You can do what you want to do. There's really no right or wrong. It just depends on what you want on a finished product. I am gonna finish this off with some tung oil and don't know. We'll see what happens. So we're done. That's it. It's a real pretty piece. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, but we went from something that looked like this, super rough, nasty, to something that's really, really pretty. It's nice, it's thin. Have no idea, but I really appreciate you watching the video. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like. We've got more to come. Thanks.